Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So far the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series of tablets arriving early this year, and now we've got a major specs leak to pour over, one which reveals most of the key details of the three devices that are in the pipeline. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. All three tablets will come with Android 12 on board and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor inside. The screen sizes are apparently in order 11 inches, 12.7 inches and a gigantic 14.6 inches, while all three tablets are said to be sporting dual-lens 13MP plus 6MP rear cameras on the back. The standard and plus versions of the Galaxy Tab S8 will come with 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, while the Ultra model offers up to a maximum of 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage on board. According to the specs leak, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will also have a better forward-facing front camera than the other two models. It would seem that Samsung is really going to give you your money's worth for the most expensive tablet. Surprises in terms of the design and the aesthetics of the Galaxy Tab S8 range, and they include shots of the S Pen stylus as well. At this stage there's not much left to learn about these tablets. When it comes to Android-based competitors for the Apple iPad, Samsung is leading the way. We were very impressed with what the Galaxy Tab S7 had to offer last year, and it looks as though the 2022 series is going to continue the trend. What we didn't get last year was an Ultra model, and that's where a lot of the attention is being focused this time around. Based on unofficial rumors, it sounds as though this tablet is going to come with a supersized screen, a slim profile, and some impressive specs. We'll no doubt see a refresh for one or more of the iPads developed by Apple during the course of 2022, which means Samsung needs to make sure it gets the Galaxy Tab S8 right. From everything that we've heard so far, it seems like it will, and the addition of a third model gives buyers even more choice. Of course, good hardware is nothing without good software, and Android on tablet-sized devices has traditionally lagged behind iPadOS in terms of design and functionality. Something that the upcoming Android 12L update might be able to change. Samsung will omit a power supply from the Galaxy Tab S8, Tab S8 Plus, and Tab S8 Ultra's boxes. Apple still ships power supplies with its tablets, such as the iPad Mini 6. However, Samsung's decision mirrors one it made for the Galaxy S21 series, championed by Apple with the iPhone 13 series. In other words, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will support up to 45W fast charging, for which Samsung will sell an appropriate power supply. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.